Hey everyone, we will learn about Cartesian plane today, right? What are Cartesian coordinates? The Cartesian coordinates means to describe the position of a point on this graph here, right? So, okay, the point, every point has two axes, right? X-axis and Y-axis. Okay, this graph, you see this part? This is x-axis, positive x-axis, and this one is negative x-axis. And all these numbers are here is written, all the integers are written here, 1, 2, 1 till 12, right? And here is -1, -2, -3, and -4. Okay, so this side is positive x, and your left hand side is written as a negative x, right? And you see this vertical part, this from here till here are written in the positive y-axis, and from the below all these numbers are written in the negative y. Okay, so these are negative y here. This graph has four parts, right? The first part, you can say quadrant 1, it's all the x-axis and the y-axis written in the positive. So in the graph, the first part always written as a x-axis and then the y-axis here, right? Now let's check quadrant 2. I mean, like second part of this graph, like we move anti-clockwise, right? So the numbers, the first numbers belong to x-axis written in the negative part, and the y-axis belong to positive, right? Now let's go down in third quadrant, both the numbers, like both the x-axis and y-axis written in the form of negative. Can you see this? This is negative and this one is also negative. So this part belongs to both the numbers negative and negative. Let's check quadrant 4. In this quadrant 4, the first part means x-axis written in the form of positive and the y-axis written as a form of negative. So these are the quadrants of the graph, right? There are four sections. And remember that we always follow the anti-clockwise, right? Anti-clockwise here. Okay, let's uh, check how to plot the points on the graph, right? Okay, this I explain it to you. Now, how to plot a point like x-axis and y-axis on the graph, right? For example, the example is written 3 and 2. It means that you need to go, let me move a little bit upward. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, the first one, the example is 2 comma 5, right? So how to plot 2 comma 5 here? As you know that the first value belongs to x-axis, okay, and the second one is y here. So x is 2. So how are you going to plot? How are you going to find out 2 here in the graph? So my center point here, it's called origin and its value is 0, comma 0. Means x-axis is also 0, the x-axis is also 0 and y is also 0, right? The center point. And can you see these two lines? Every section gives you two perpendicular, right? This one and this one. And this the center part here, when I make this box here, it shows that this is 90-degree angle. Here to the opposite side is also a 90-degree angle, right? The below also a 90-degree angle here. Okay, so how am I going to plot these 2 points here on the graph? Okay, so the first one says x is 2. So x is 2. So where is x? 2. Okay, this is, can you see this a number here? This is 2, right? So here it's a x-axis. This is positive x-axis and this one is negative x-axis. sorry, right? And that is positive y, and the bottom numbers are negative y here. So it says 2. It's written x-axis represent to 1 centimeter. I have written a scale here. Scale is very important in the graph. So here the one box, it's 1 unit, right? So 1 unit represent as a 1 centimeter. So I didn't mention 1 here. The 1 is not visible, but you can say that this one, the number which is not written here, it is 1 here, okay? And 2, and then between 2 and 4, the center box is 3. Between 4 and 6, it's 5, right? But it says 2. So my pointer is here on 2, and then I need to take steps. It says y as a 5. So 5 is a positive, so we need to go up, right? So where we need to plot the points? Between 4 and 6. This is the fifth position here, okay? So here this is the marking for x2 and y5. Okay, second example, it says -1 and 0. Okay, -1 and 0. So where is -1? So first of all, you need to see the x values. So -1 on the horizontal part, not the vertical, okay? The horizontal part. The -1 is here after 0, right? And my pointer is here, -1. Now I need to check like from where I should go, upward or downward. It says 0. 0 means that you need to stay there. Wherever you are staying for the x-axis, which is -1, you need to stay there. You're not supposed to go to the positive side or not negative side. So you need to stay here. So your mark point is this one, -1 and 0, right? Okay, let's do another example. The C part says -5 and -5. Okay, -5. So let me clean this graph. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So the third example says -5 and first of all, -5. The first -5 belongs to x value. So where is -5? -5 is here between. Sorry, not here. Here. Okay. Okay, let me take the pen. Okay, between -4 and -6 here. -5. Okay, now I need to check that where should I go? Upward or downward? It says -5. We need to go down till where is -5 here? -5 on the y-axis between -4 and 6. See? Can you see here? This part here. So I marked this side. This is -5 for the y-axis. So my coordinate x is -5 and y is also -5. Now, last example, 3. It says 3 and -2. So where is 3 on the x-axis? This side is 3, right? This one is 3 here. So 3 is here. Okay, let me take another color. Okay, let me take purple. Okay, it says -3 now. -3 is here between 2 and 4. Okay, my pointer is there. Sorry, -3 positive 3 here. And let's check -2. The y value is -2 negative. So where is -2? The top side or the bottom side? The bottom side, -2. -2 here. This one is -2. Okay, now circle around that and write down the coordinate 3 comma -2, right? I hope that students, you people understood about the Cartesian coordinates. Thank you.